Byzantium. And Heraclius by that time has received a letter from the Prophet ﷺ. And thinking about the mindset of the Quraysh and how Allah Ta'ala is addressing them throughout these two surahs, by the way.
Hello guys, good afternoon. It's actually 7 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I just got ready. I was listening to Juz 17 of the Quran 30 for 30 series, and this episode was so good. If you guys aren't tuned in, definitely give this one a listen. What's her name? Ustada Zainab Ansari. She is so well spoken, and her reflections and her perspective of the Quran was just so interesting. So you definitely have to give it a listen. I really enjoyed it. So I'm just now getting ready really quickly. It's 6:55 p.m. I just picked up my camera. You guys probably saw my vlog from yesterday. I went to bed at like 6:30 a.m. and then I woke up at 10 a.m. I edited the vlog and I posted it. So I literally only got like 3 hours of sleep. 4, maybe 3.5, I don't know. But I was so tired. So after I edited my vlog, I went back to sleep and I woke up at like 4 something in the afternoon. So yeah, today is just all over the place. So I'm just now getting my day started. I'm about to quickly film some stories. I asked on my story if you guys wanted to see a try-on haul of the H&M dresses I got, and a lot of you guys were interested, so I'm gonna try that on real quick and I'll just quickly show you guys too. If you guys haven't checked out H&M's spring and summer dress collection, definitely check it out. They have some beautiful floral dresses. I have a ton of these. I have their collection from the last 2 years and I really get a lot of wear out of them. I feel like they're so versatile. You can definitely wear them to parties, baby showers, bridal showers, even casually. So I love these dresses. I'm going to try it on for my Instagram stories. If you guys want to check it out, definitely head over to my Instagram. But yeah, they're so pretty, especially this white one. Look at this white one. I will link these dresses down below. They're 20% off today. I think by the time you guys see this, 20% off will be done. But keep an eye out. They usually have sales very often. Okay, since I have the dress on, I figured I might as well show you guys here on YouTube as well. These dresses are gorgeous. I feel like they make a really beautiful bridal shower, baby shower, like any type of party wear. They also look great for casual wear, like if you were to go to a brunch, I don't know, a picnic, a kid's birthday party, like literally anything. This is so pretty. So yeah, I also layered it. It does come with a slip underneath, but just in case I put on some nude leggings, I will link the leggings down below. And then the top is a little bit sheer, so I put on a nude top underneath. You guys can see it here. And I don't mind it at all. Like, you definitely can't tell. It just looks like, you know, normal. This is the next dress, and oh my god, I think this one is my favorite. Ismail is in my room too. Hi. Oh my god, I love this one. The details on this dress is gorgeous. It definitely gives off like designer Zimmerman vibes. I feel like I always say that wrong. Zimmerman, whatever. But yeah, I will link it for you guys here if you guys want to check it out. Love these heels too. I got these off of Amazon. How cute are they? They're from Steve Madden and they're so cute. Really great spring and summer heels. I just prayed Asr and look who came over. Hello! Look at the mess he made while I was praying. I told him to sit down and color, and he broke my pen. Excuse me, mister. Look at this, broken pen. Why did you do that? Huh? Do you want to get a toy from Target? Tell everybody what kind of toy you want. Huh? What? They can't hear you. How are they going to buy it? Spider-Man? Tell them what kind of Spider-Man. I already got him his Eid gift. I got him Spider-Man shoes for Eid. Oh my god, are you excited? I got you Spider-Man shoes for Eid. You excited? I got you two. Which color do you like? Blue or red?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, let's go eat. It's time for Iftar. Chalo, aja. Okay, I'm gonna go eat, see what my mom made, because I did not help her today. Okay, so I'm having a lentil soup for Iftar. I shared the recipe like 2 vlogs ago. I'll link it down below, but it's
Where is the salt?
Salt? Where did you put the salt? I'm not abdiin, that's salt?
Yeah, I'm not salt.
I'm not salt. You want to try this? Try it for my vlog. I also have leftovers from my iftar the other day. So I have salad and baba ganoush. Isa, what toy do you want for Eid?
Beyblade.
Beyblades? Okay, let me see what you're eating. You're eating pasta and fries and chicken nuggets? Good job. And a date. Okay, that's his iftar. What about you, mister? You're eating plain pasta? But what do you want? Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Are you eating food?
Macaroni.
Macaroni and cheese? Okay, perfect. So this is Isa's Eid wish list. Okay, let's hear it.
My Beyblade.
Uh-huh. What is that?
Spider-Man.
Natika?
Yeah.
Nautica, what is that? Oh, Nautica. You want Nautica shoes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, sure. So, shoes and Beyblade. Okay, this is Ismail's list.
Spider-Man America.
Spider-Man, Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk, and cat food. Amazing.
Mom, eat that food.
You want cat food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Camilla. Yeah. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Why I
Cheers.
keep...
Cheers. Wait. What do you want for Eid?
Spider-Man. Oh.
You want Spider-Man and Hulk for Eid?
Yeah, I'm Iron Man.
And Iron Man?
Yeah, I'm America.
And Captain America? There's so many toys. Okay.
Make a black coffee, there's a baby.
Hi.
Alright.
That works, eh?
My leaving.
You're leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, where are you going?
My house.
Why?
Mom coming.
Oh.
Mama coming.
Oh, okay. You don't want to sleep over?
No.
Why? He hates sleeping over.
ولكن من لم ينوي أن يدعو بدعاء القنوت ولم يدعو دعاء القنوت فليس عليه شيء. طيب جزاكم الله خيرا وبارك الله فيكم. We have sweets. No, I forgot.
I'm home from Tarawih prayer. I just made myself a little snack. I made apples with tahini. I eat this all the time and I always get questions. People always ask like, what is that on your apples? It's the little like Mexican seasoning. It's called tahini and it's so good. So I'm going to have this while I do my laundry. I folded everything already, so there's not a lot to do. I'm just going to put this away. And then I'm going to just enjoy this and go to bed. Let's see what time it is. It's pretty late. It's 11:07. I'm going to be in bed and asleep by 11:30, inshallah. So that is pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Inshallah, starting tomorrow, I will do a proper routine. And then we get ready for the last 10 days of Ramadan. So bittersweet. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.